Imagine you wake up in a dark room, completely disoriented. You need to find the light switch and the door, but you have no memory of the room's layout. You're lost. Now imagine a robot facing the same challenge. This is where SLAM comes in. SLAM stands for Simultaneous Localization and Mapping. It's a crucial technology that allows robots to explore and understand unfamiliar environments. SLAM enables robots to build maps of their surroundings while simultaneously figuring out their location within those maps. Think of it as solving a puzzle where the pieces are constantly being added while you're trying to figure out the bigger picture. This simultaneous process is what makes SLAM so powerful and essential for robotics. In essence, SLAM equips robots with the ability to navigate autonomously. Just like humans rely on their senses and spatial awareness, robots utilize SLAM to perceive and make sense of their surroundings. This technology forms the foundation for robots to operate independently and effectively in various domains. Let's imagine our robot again, this time entering an unknown room. Its mission: to find a specific object. Without SLAM, the robot would be clueless, bumping into walls and furniture. It would have no way to create a map or track its own position. SLAM empowers the robot to become an explorer. As it moves, it uses sensors to gather information about its surroundings. It identifies walls, obstacles, and even changes in the environment. Using this information, it constructs a map, gradually piecing together the room's layout. Simultaneously, the robot uses this evolving map to pinpoint its own location. It constantly updates its position based on the landmarks and features it has mapped. This continuous feedback loop between localization and mapping is the essence of SLAM, enabling the robot to navigate effectively, avoid obstacles, and ultimately complete its mission. In the real world, SLAM is crucial for autonomous cars, helping them navigate busy streets and avoid pedestrians. Drones use SLAM to fly through complex environments like forests, avoiding trees and other obstacles. Even household robots like vacuum cleaners rely on SLAM to efficiently clean homes without bumping into furniture. Robots rely on their senses to navigate, and in the world of SLAM, these senses come in the form of sophisticated sensors. One key player in SLAM technology is LIDAR, which works like radar but uses light instead of radio waves. LIDAR shoots out laser beams and measures the time it takes for them to bounce back, creating a highly accurate three-dimensional map of the environment. Cameras are another crucial technology in SLAM, providing robots with a more human-like perspective. By analyzing images, robots can identify objects, track their movement, and even understand scene depth using techniques like stereo vision. Finally, IMUs, or inertial measurement units, are essential for SLAM as they act as the robot's inner ear. They measure acceleration and rotation, helping the robot track its own motion and orientation, especially in situations where other sensor data might be unreliable. These technologies, working in harmony, provide the robot with a rich understanding of its surroundings, fueling the SLAM algorithms that bring it all together. Imagine the robot collecting a constant stream of data from its sensors. This raw information is like a chaotic puzzle waiting to be solved. This is where SLAM algorithms come in. They act as the robot's brain, processing this sensory data and transforming it into meaningful information. Two prominent algorithms used in SLAM are extended Kalman filters and particle filters. Extended Kalman filters are like sophisticated prediction machines. They use mathematical models to estimate the robot's position and the environment's state, refining these estimates with each new sensor measurement. Particle filters, on the other hand, take a more probabilistic approach. They represent the robot's possible locations as a collection of particles. As the robot moves and gathers information, particles that better match the sensor data are given higher weights, leading to a more accurate estimate of the robot's true location and the map's evolution. SLAM presents a classic chicken and egg problem. Should the robot focus on determining its location first, or on building a map? The answer is both, and they need to happen simultaneously. Imagine the robot trying to map a room without knowing its own position. It would be like trying to draw a picture on a canvas that's constantly shifting. Similarly, without a map, the robot would struggle to determine its location, lacking any reference points to ground its position. This interdependence between localization and mapping is what makes SLAM so challenging yet so fascinating. It's a delicate dance between two processes that constantly inform and refine each other. As the map becomes more accurate, so does the robot's localization, and vice versa. This intricate interplay is the key to unlocking autonomous navigation. SLAM is not just a futuristic concept. It's a technology actively shaping our world today. Drones use SLAM to navigate complex environments, inspecting bridges, surveying land, and even delivering packages with precision. Delivery robots also benefit from SLAM, enabling them to navigate through urban environments, avoid obstacles, and deliver goods efficiently. Even in our homes, SLAM is making its mark. Robot vacuums use SLAM to efficiently clean rooms, remembering furniture layouts, and adapting to changing environments. These are just a few examples of how SLAM is transforming various industries, making robots smarter, more adaptable, and increasingly integrated into our daily lives. Gap 3s. One of the most revolutionary applications of SLAM technology is in autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars rely heavily on SLAM to navigate safely through ever-changing urban landscapes. They use a combination of LIDAR, cameras, and IMUs to build real-time maps of their surroundings, identifying other vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles. This allows them to make split-second decisions, ensuring passenger safety and efficient travel. Moreover, SLAM helps these vehicles to continuously update their maps, adapting to new road layouts, construction zones, and unexpected changes in the environment. This dynamic capability is crucial for the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles, as it ensures reliability and safety in diverse driving conditions. From enhancing the capabilities of individual vehicles to contributing to smarter city infrastructure, SLAM is a cornerstone technology driving us toward a future of fully autonomous transportation. While SLAM is widely recognized for its role in navigation, its potential extends far beyond simply helping robots get from point A to point B. Researchers and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of SLAM, exploring its applications in diverse fields. For instance, SLAM is proving invaluable in augmented reality and virtual reality technologies. By accurately mapping the real-world environment, SLAM enables AR and VR devices to seamlessly blend virtual objects with the physical world, creating more immersive and interactive experiences. Moreover, SLAM is being used to create detailed three-dimensional models of historical sites, underwater environments, and even the human body. This technology is revolutionizing fields like archaeology, marine biology, and medicine, providing valuable insights and enabling new discoveries. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Become a SLAM expert. Visit Zerobotics now and access our exclusive learning platform designed for future robotics leaders.